If you are a student, a professional, or simply someone who wants a reliable way to organize thoughts and tasks, then this guide is exactly what you need. We are going to explore Joplin, an open-source, privacy-focused note-taking application that has been gaining a lot of attention recently. The main question many people ask is whether Joplin is truly the best free note-taking app available today. We will break down its interface, core features, usability, and performance, and we will also compare it with other popular tools like Notion, Evernote, and Obsidian. So if you are looking for a flexible, secure, and customizable way to organize your notes and tasks, let's get started. Joplin is a free, open-source note-taking and to-do application designed for users who prioritize privacy, flexibility, and full control over their data. Unlike many other apps that rely heavily on cloud storage controlled by the provider, Joplin allows you to store your notes locally on your device or sync them with your own preferred cloud service. To begin using Joplin, the first step is to visit its official website. Once you are there, first if you go to top and click on this plugin option, you will be taken to this page. Joplin's plugin feature allows you to extend and customize the app beyond its default capabilities by installing add-ons created by the community or by yourself. Through plugins, you can add new tools, automate tasks, enhance the editor, or integrate external services without modifying the core application. Now, go back and you will see options to download the application. Since it is an open-source tool, you can install it on various platforms, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. In addition to desktop versions, Joplin also offers mobile apps. If you are using an Android device, you can download it from the Google Play Store, while iPhone users can find it on the App Store. This cross-platform availability ensures that you can access your notes from anywhere. Another important feature you will notice on the website is Joplin Cloud. This optional service allows you to synchronize your notes across multiple devices, publish notes online, and collaborate with others. It is particularly useful if you are working in a team or need to access your notes from different locations. Joplin Cloud offers different pricing tiers such as Basic, Pro, and Teams, each providing additional features depending on your needs. However, even without the cloud service, the application remains fully functional for personal use. It is always a good idea to try the software before committing to any paid plan. This allows you to understand how the app works, assess its learning curve, and determine whether it fits your workflow. Once you install and open Joplin, you will notice that the interface is clean, simple, and highly functional. The layout is designed to be straightforward so that even beginners can navigate it easily. At the top or side, you will see an option to create a new note. By clicking the plus icon, you can immediately start writing. This simplicity makes it easy to capture ideas without any distractions. In addition to creating notes, Joplin allows you to create to-do items. By selecting the New To-Do option, you can add tasks that need to be completed. This feature is particularly useful for managing daily activities or organizing projects. Each task can be marked as complete once finished, making it easy to track progress. At the bottom of the interface, you will notice the synchronization option. This is where Joplin Cloud or other sync services come into play. By enabling sync, you can ensure that your notes are updated across all your devices. This is especially helpful if you are working across a desktop and a mobile device or collaborating with others. On the left side of the interface, you will also find a Welcome section. This section provides helpful guidance on how to use the app, including tips on importing and exporting notes. It acts as a quick introduction, especially for users who are new to the platform. Another useful feature is the trash function. If you delete a note, it is not immediately removed permanently. Instead, it is moved to the trash folder, allowing you to recover it if needed. This adds an extra layer of safety and prevents accidental data loss. At top of screen, you also have this play button. By tapping on this, you can see all of your notebooks on screen. Joplin also supports tagging, which helps you organize your notes more effectively. Tags act as labels that make it easier to categorize and find specific notes later. For example, you can tag notes based on topics, projects, or priority levels. Within the editor, you also have this file option, where you can find new section, like new notebook or new sub-notebook, etc. Next, we have Edit option. In this section, you will find many useful options, like you have the ability to attach files to your notes. This means you can include documents, images, or other files directly within your notes, making them more interactive and comprehensive. This feature is particularly useful for storing related information in one place. When editing notes, you can also insert hyperlinks. This allows you to connect your notes to external resources such as websites or references. It is a simple but powerful feature that enhances the usefulness of your notes. Next, we have the View option. There we have options to toggle the sidebar, open notes in new windows, and even use external editors if you prefer a different editing environment. Additionally, Joplin provides note properties such as IDs, URLs, and history. Next, we have the Note section. The Note History feature is especially valuable, as it allows you to track changes and revert to previous versions if needed. Then, the Tools section offers additional functionality such as a spell checker, linking notes together, managing a master password, and creating backups. Backups are important for protecting your data, and Joplin makes it easy to create them regularly. Now, if you go again to File section, there is another important capability is exporting your notes. Joplin supports multiple export formats, including its native format, raw directories, Markdown, HTML, and PDF. PDF is one of the most commonly used formats, as it allows you to share your notes easily with others. One of the standout aspects of Joplin is its simplicity and ease of use. The interface is intuitive, and there is virtually no learning curve for basic features. This makes it an excellent choice for users who want a straightforward note-taking solution without unnecessary complexity. If you want to explore more about Joplin, you can check user reviews on platforms such as Capterra and G2. These sites provide insights from real users, helping you understand how the app performs in different scenarios and whether it meets your expectations. So, is Joplin the best free note-taking app available today? The answer depends on your needs. If you value privacy, flexibility, and the ability to control your data, then Joplin is definitely one of the strongest options. It is a top-tier choice for users who prefer an open-source solution and offline functionality. However, if you are looking for a highly polished interface or real-time collaboration features similar to other platforms, you may want to explore alternatives. Overall, Joplin stands out as a powerful and reliable tool for note-taking and task management. It combines simplicity with advanced features, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. If you have tried Joplin yourself, feel free to share your experience in the comments. We would love to hear your thoughts and suggestions. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.